Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By AI of Isesaki FM. The infection of whooping cough, a disease that causes a long-lasting severe cough, is spreading. Gunma Prefecture announced on the 17th that 96 new cases were confirmed in the week up to the 15th of this month, the highest number of cases reported in a week on record. The total number of patients since the start of this year has reached 533, which is more than 15 times the number of 34 cases 2 years ago. According to the prefecture, 456 of the 533 cases are children under the age of 10, accounting for about 86% of the total.